So welcome to our session of Everyday Mathematics today. Today we move forward to problem 22 of the 2023 Universal Florida Integration B qualifying exams. And that is the indefinite integral of e to the power x times, open bracket, natural logarithm of x plus x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x, close bracket, plus open bracket, natural logarithm of x plus 3x squared plus 1. So this is it's actually a very simple problem, but it looks intimidating. All the same, we are going to go step by step and explain how one may be able to solve this problem. If you're here for the very first time and haven't had an opportunity to subscribe to our channel, we do really encourage you to consider subscribing to our channel. Your support in growing our channel will be much appreciated. So without much ado, we move forward to try and solve this problem. So this is our problem. One thing that I see here is I see 2x and x squared are related in the sense that 2x is the derivative of x squared. 1 over x is the derivative of natural logarithm of x. So let's try and rearrange this problem in such a way that I have multiplied across by e to the power x. And so I'll go ahead and regroup. So I have brought 1 over x times e to the power x closer to e to the power x times natural logarithm of x. And then x squared times e to the power x, I've put it closer to 2x times e to the power x. And so we can now move ahead and re-express 1 over x as the derivative of natural logarithm of x with respect to x, and 2x as the derivative of x squared with respect to x. And so what that means that using the product rule of differentiation, we could now bunch the e to the power x times natural logarithm of x plus the derivative of natural logarithm of x with respect to x times e to the power x. So this is the same as the derivative of e to the power x times natural logarithm of x. And then the second part also, we bunch that together now because now we do have the derivative with respect to x of x squared times e to the power x. And we've kept the second part as it is. So since the differentiation operation is linear, we can just bunch these things together. So we have those two functions under the derivative sign. And then what we could also do is we could separate this into two separate integrals such that what we could also do is maybe also separate this into three separate integrals, and that allows us now to say, okay, if the integration sign is an antiderivative, it means that whatever is under the differentiation sign inside the integration can now be expressed as it is. So we have e to the power x times the natural logarithm of x plus x squared times e to the power x plus the integration of natural logarithm of x plus the integration of 3x squared plus 1. Now, the interesting part here is there's a hidden one here, and that can be expressed as the differentiation of x with respect to x. And so we have two functions. We have function v and function u, and now we can use what we call integration by parts, where if you have a product of function v and the derivative of function u, when you integrate that product, that's the same as uv minus the integral of the function u times the derivative of function v. And so in this instance, if x is our u and v is the same as natural logarithm of x, then we can go ahead and say uv is x times the natural logarithm of x minus u, which is x, times the derivative of v, which is natural logarithm of x. The derivative of natural logarithm of x is the same as 1 over x. So what now happens is you have this x and this x cancel. So we do have the integral of 1. It's negative, but we also have a 1 here. So these two integrals cancel, and what we're left with is now e to the power x times the natural logarithm of x plus x squared times e to the power x plus x times the natural logarithm of x plus the integral of 3x squared. 3x squared integrated is same as x cubed. And so this is our answer, but we would like to maybe simplify it a little bit more. What we'll do first is by pulling e to the power x out here, so we have natural logarithm of x plus x squared, and here we could pull x out, so we have natural logarithm of x plus x squared. So we can factorize that a little bit better. So we have common factor being natural logarithm of x plus x squared. When we pull that out, so we have e to the power x plus x times, open bracket, natural logarithm of x plus x squared, close bracket, plus the integration constant. So this is the answer. And so what we're going to do now is just say, okay, the problem you gave us, the integral of e to the power x times open bracket natural logarithm of x plus x squared plus 2x plus 1 over x close bracket plus open bracket natural logarithm of x plus 3x squared plus 1 is e to the power x plus x close bracket times open bracket natural logarithm of x plus x squared close bracket plus the integration constant c. And that's the answer that was expected. So this brings us to the end of our problem with that answer. Without much ado, thank you so much for the company you gave us. Until next time, be blessed.